Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how a single product could pull triple duty, giving you a gorgeous glow, versatile application, and a shimmer that truly lasts? Well, today we're talking about theBalm's Mary-Lou Manizer Honey-Hued Luminizer, a product that promises all that and more. Now, this isn't just your average highlighter. It's a multi-use product that can be applied to your face as a highlighter, used as an eyeshadow, or even as a shimmer on your body for that perfect dewy finish. The powder comes in a beautiful beige-hued shade that offers a soft, honey-toned glow that works for a variety of skin tones. If you love that subtle radiance that doesn't scream glitter, this might be something you want to stick around for. When I first opened the compact, I was immediately impressed by how finely milled the powder is. It feels silky to the touch and isn't chalky or gritty like some powders can be. One of the things I look for in a highlighter is blendability, something that doesn't sit on top of the skin but melts into it, enhancing your natural radiance. This product does just that. It's easy to apply with either a fan brush or a dense highlighter brush, and you can build it up for a more intense glow if that's what you're into. Now, let's talk about real-life testing. I've used this product in different lighting and settings to see how it holds up throughout the day. Whether under natural light, indoor lighting, or even outdoor, the shimmer is subtle yet noticeable. The beige tone really gives you that soft, lit-from-within glow, perfect for a no-makeup look or even a full glam moment. I love how versatile it is. Whether you want to add a pop of shimmer to your eyelids or highlight your cheekbones, it does the job beautifully. But as much as I love the finish, I do have to mention that if you have very dry skin, you might need to prep your skin with a good moisturizer or setting spray. Since the product has a shimmery finish, it can emphasize dry patches. However, this can be easily solved by using a hydrating base before applying. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. The pros are clear. This is a beautiful, highly pigmented, multi-use product that offers a natural, honey-toned glow. It's incredibly easy to apply, blends seamlessly into the skin, and can work in various makeup looks. The cons, however, come in with the texture. While the powder is finely milled, it can cling a little bit to dry patches, so it's something to keep in mind if you have texture concerns. But really, that's just something to consider based on your skin type. When it comes to value for money, the price is definitely on the higher side for a single highlighter. But considering its versatility, highlighter, eyeshadow, and body shimmer in one, you're really getting 3 products in one compact, which makes it a bit more justifiable. The packaging is sturdy and travel-friendly, which is always a bonus for me. I wouldn't say this is an absolute game changer compared to other highlighters on the market, but it does stand out for its multifunctional ability. If you're someone who loves a versatile product that can be used in different ways, this could be worth the investment. Now, there are alternatives at a lower price point, but they might not offer the same versatility. If you're on a budget, something like the L'Oréal Paris True Match Lumi Highlighter or Maybelline's Master Chrome could give you a similar glow for less. But if you're looking for that extra touch of luxury and performance, theBalm's Mary-Lou Manizer will not disappoint. In terms of build quality, the packaging is solid. The product's compact is sleek, and it's easy to take on the go, which is perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. As for longevity, I didn't experience any fading over time, so it's a keeper for long-lasting shimmer. So, who would this product be perfect for? If you're someone who likes a subtle, natural-looking glow that works in a variety of ways, this is a winner. It's great for anyone who appreciates multifunctional beauty products. However, if you prefer more intense, chunky glitters, or if you're prone to dry skin patches, this might not be the best fit for you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.